Hey, beautiful people of the world, it's your girl AReid, and if you're tuning in today, it's because you want an update on my 6-month plot. Oh my gosh! Hey, beautiful people of the world, it's your girl AReid, and if you're tuning in today, it's because you want an update on my 6 months plus micro starter locks. If this is your first time joining, welcome, and if you've been around your girl's page before, welcome back. Thank you all for watching. For those of you who don't know, I started my micro lock journey on naturally low fine density hair using 2-strand twists, and I added human hair extensions to the ends. I did recently retie my hair. My hair is dirty because, of course, my retwists do not coincide with my shampoos. However, this is what my hair is looking like at the moment. Now, over the course of the 6 months, my hair has undergone so many changes, and one of those changes is swelling. Thankfully, okay, I love that. I want my hair to look thicker. However, the extensions, of course, were not expanding, and in addition, I also was experiencing slippage of the extension. So overall, this whole bottom section was just looking really sparse, which drove me insane. So I did a revamp, and my revamp entailed me adding back the human hair extensions to the ends, but I also gave myself a little trim because when I first did the installation, they were a little bit longer, and honestly, it just looked really scraggly. So to help give it a fuller look and one that is more natural, I gave myself a trim, and I also went ahead and I shortened these front pieces just so that it has a little bit of a layered action going on there. Nothing too crazy, but this is what it looks like. I am very happy with how it's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360. Now, for those of you who have seen my previous videos, y'all know I had a compromising area right in here where it was thinning. Y'all know I had my experience with breakage and losing locks, and I was getting attacked by birds, all types of stuff, right? So this area, at one point I decided not to add any human hair extensions onto it just because I was like tired of the breakage, the thinning, but honestly, without the extensions, it just wasn't holding at all. So I went ahead and I added the extensions to these two, and rather than doing the twist, I did braids. So I braided the extensions from the root down to the ends, and I'm just gonna leave that like that and see how that do. Something new that I wanted to share with you all. So y'all know that my hair has been suffering as far as just being dry. I feel like my hair has been really dry, and the oils with the water, all of that is not working for my hair. So I was like, you know what, Ash, I have tons of conditioner since being loose natural, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this conditioner. And when I tell you, my hair responded so well, my scalp felt so happy, and I was like, I'm going to continue using conditioner on my hair. I feel like that's completely fine for me right now. I really concentrated the conditioner in my root area because I know my hair needs it. My hair needs it. I believe that that's one of the reasons why my locks was popping off, in addition to me not retying frequently. You know, so y'all see my hair is retied now. I did mark it on my calendar. So I'll be doing a retie within another 4 to 6 weeks. So that's gonna be my cycle. Every 4 to 6 weeks, I'm going to be retying my hair. In between that, I will be using conditioner after shampooing my hair, in addition to the oils and stuff like that. But I can't even guarantee y'all about those oils. I'm very, very simple when it comes to my hair. Yes, it gets the mist from the shower, but outside of that, you know, I'm really not adding, I don't got the spray bottle with the oil and all of that. I'm going to start incorporating that more. I keep saying that. I'm not gonna lie to y'all and guarantee y'all anything. I'll just keep y'all updated on the next video. But the conditioner is working wonders for me. I really do enjoy massaging my scalp every night. I do that every night. It's not even intentional at this point. It's just a part of my nightly routine. You know, I'm just always in my scalp and it feels so good, and it's really great for stimulating hair growth. And also our fingertips provide natural oils in the hair, so that's good too. But yeah, this is where I'm at on my 6-month plus micro solder lock journey. I think I love my hair even more now than, like, aesthetically, I love the look of it with this trim. I'm not sure what's gonna happen as it gets older. I might have to do another revamp and actually thicken up the human hair extensions, just add more hair to it, or maybe take out all of them. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might take out all of them and add back the human hair extensions, just making it thicker. Who knows, right? Like, I don't know what my hair's gonna look like. I don't know how I'm gonna feel. Sometimes I do be getting the itch to just take them out and rock it short, but this is where we're at so far. I am happy with this journey. Of course, yeah, I know I have my moments where I'm like, man, you know, kind of want to switch up the look, or sometimes, you know, I don't feel as sexy, or, you know, whatever the case may be. And I'm not even the sexy type. Like, that's not my aesthetic. I'm not the I'm gonna try to be sexy girl. But sometimes, you know, you just don't feel like so spruced up, and that's a part of the journey. But overall, I am happy with the look of my hair, and I am super excited to shampoo my hair tonight because my scalp is itching, and after I shampoo and condition, I am going to moisturize my hair, and I will stay on top of my reties every 4 to 6 weeks. So this is my update, and as always, you know, I'm going to encourage you all, if you are interested in starting your lock journey, whether they're micro locks, coil locks, whatever locks, you know, I'm gonna say do not hesitate. Start this journey now, because you are doing yourself a big disservice by even waiting. You spend 1 year contemplating whether or not you're gonna start your journey, and that's 1 year you could have been into your journey, and our hair changed so much within 1 year. So do not hesitate. Go ahead, start your journey. You're not gonna regret it. Yes, it's gonna be hard. It is a journey, it is a process, but we are in this together. So thank you all for watching. Continue looking out for my videos. Definitely more to come, and be bold and be free. So until next time, deuce y'all.